Namaskar, I'm Gunjan Bidani. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough, hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID-19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope, curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. CSIR's Jammu-based Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, or IIIM, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Reliance Industries Limited to further develop and upscale a new RT-lamp-based COVID-19 diagnostic kit. This indigenous COVID-19 kit is cheaper, quicker, and does not require highly trained manpower and high-end laboratory components. The kit components can be easily manufactured in India, reducing our reliance on other countries for testing. After testing the accuracy of the kit on a much larger number of patients, CSIR, IIIM and RIL will jointly approach ICMR for approval. If approved, RIL will upscale this technology so that it can be employed for testing the infection at mass scale. Let's hear more about this partnership from Dr. Ram A. Vishwakarma, Director CSIR, IIIM, Jammu.
We have designed set of primer at 4 specific sites of the genome of the virus, so that we really get the amplification of viral genome, and then we can get the result which are more accurate and more specific. So this technique is much simpler. Here we don't need RT-PCR machine. We simply need a block, a thermal block, where we have to maintain a certain temperature around 50 degrees. And then we can easily use the viral RNA, amplify it to cDNA, and then further amplify so that we can measure by simply UV light. You have a kind of a tube where you show UV light, you can see the band, and then you can say that this is viral material that is coming to you. So we have been working with a major company, Reliance Industries, and our scientists in Jammu, Dr. Sumit Gandhi, and scientists in Reliance, Dr. Manish Shukla, both of them actually have been working for almost 1 month. And it is basically their joint effort which led to this development. This estimation which we have done with the industry is that it will cost around 90 rupees per test. And this can be done in 30 to 45 minutes. So you can make out that how it is important. It can be done in a mass scale.
Indian Institute of Technology, or IIT Roorkee, has been funded by the Science and Engineering Research Board, which is under the Department of Science and Technology, for conducting a study to identify antivirals against COVID-19. In this study, scientists will search for small molecule inhibitors that target viral enzymes. A computer-based approach will be undertaken to screen various antiviral molecules, which will be experimentally validated for antiviral potential. IIT Roorkee scientists will collaborate with the scientists from the Indian Veterinary Research Institute to carry out this research. The research has been supported under the Intensification of Research in High Priority Areas grant of SERB. Let's hear more about this research work from Dr. Pravindra Kumar, who is a professor at IIT Roorkee and will be leading this research.
We find out, so there are thousands of drugs available. There are anti-cancer drugs, anti-parasite drugs, there are anti-malarial drugs. So many drugs are there. Can we see that those drugs, how they are interacting with some of the important enzymes, and enzymes also, like how we look at it, the enzymes which we don't have in human, or if they are there, so their structures are different. Structure, when I try to say, it's a 3-dimensional shape of that molecule. So they are important. They play important role for the virus. And so if you can kill them, you can stop that, their function, then, they can kill the virus. So the virus will not replicate in human. All right. So we have done preliminary studies. And now what we are trying to do after this, we will try to look for these enzymes, how those drugs are inhibiting enzymes. So we will be doing high throughput assays against those enzymes, as well as once we have those assays, and we will find out how biochemically and biophysically. So we can use isothermal calorimeter, surface plasma resonance, so we can see the binding affinities of those drugs for these enzymes.
Given the crisis, various personal protective equipment or PPEs are being manufactured across the country. To ensure that PPE is effective in guarding against the virus, coveralls are now being tested and getting certified at 9 authorized laboratories. The laboratories are certifying PPE as per the technical specifications prescribed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The specifications set by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare are in conformity with the WHO guidelines for COVID-19. All government procurement agencies and private hospitals have been advised to procure the materials from certified agencies having unique certified codes printed on the inside of the coveralls. The users and procurement agencies are requested to procure materials from the certified manufacturers after verification of the certificates on the web link provided on the Ministry of Textiles website. Further, the procurement agencies are advised to periodically collect random samples from the PPE coverall supplied lots and get these samples tested from the 9 approved laboratories. With this, we come to the end of this bulletin. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe and maintaining social distance. See you soon. Namaskar.